Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to edit TikTok video after posting. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So here we can see a video I posted on TikTok with a simple caption, hello. Now let's see how to edit it. So click on this three dot icon and click on save video, and after that this video will saved into my phone device. Click on this plus icon, and from here click on upload. Here is my video I just downloaded. I'm selecting this one and clicking on next. Here we can see the video, and from here we can easily edit the caption and add other caption, and then click on next and now click on post. And here we can see my new video is posted here and with a new caption. Now let's delete the previous videos from here. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.